Hola, amigo.
I recently adventured south into Mexico for a mission trip and brought back various candies and things.
So today we're going to try them.
Las Sevillas. It's an ice cream cone with like caramel in it.
You want to split this or like?
Yeah, I only have one, so. Alright. I need to get two.
Oh wow, that's not working out. Curse you, caramel. Alright. That almost worked out nicely. You want this to your side?
Sure. Cheers. It's a little stale.
Kind of tastes like plastic. Like the caramel's kind of good. Choco Ritas. I have a feeling choco means like chocolate. I like cocoa. And Ritas sounds like, I don't know, it looks like peas. Little green kind of things all over the bag.
Yeah. They smell minty. Smell those.
Oh, it's like mint chocolate chip.
Bottoms up. Those are really good.
Oh yeah.
It's like a Thin Mint, but in sixlet form.
Gomitas Sambora Sandra.
It looks like
It's watermelon on
but it's
fire.
like on fire.
I don't know if I'm ready for something spicy.
Well, I think most of the rest of stuff is sweet.
I hope so.
Oh,
Oh dear lord.
this is.
Looks like beef jerky. Oh, you're going all in. Oh, it's not that bad. There's definitely watermelon.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and those are chili powder.
Mm-hmm. It's like a mix.
Uh-uh. 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 Oh. Oh. Ugh.
Yeah, that was.
Solo Rojos. Pandas. They're gummy bears.
Yeah.
And they have little strawberries on the package, so that means they're probably strawberry flavored.
Yeah. Hopefully. Hopefully not chili powder flavored. Because one day when we were there, we got popsicles. And there were all these different kinds. I had this weird like chocolate yet fruity thing. It was really good. But there were two red kinds. So there was a cherry and chili flavored. And two people got the chili and they were like,
Oh, smell that.
oh,
Dude, I think I'm gonna love these. They're just like gummy bears, but like sweeter.
Yeah.
I think these are better than American gummy bears. Totito. They have a little elf guy on them.
Well, they're not red. That's a good
They're not
sign.
red. They're white though. They smell like rubber. It's gum.
Rayarindos.
They look like little poop things coming out.
Yeah.
Like, look at this, like
Looks like a Tootsie Roll, but like with a liquid inside.
poopy. Oh, it's hard candy.
Yes.
Oh. What? Till the end. No regrets. Oh.
Oh.
These are just worse.
I'm gonna have to bite it in half and.
There's no getting better.
I'm gonna bite it in half and get to the middle.
It's not liquidy.
What? I'm spitting it out.
Oh no, it gets worse. Like you suck it and it gets kind of like one of those fruit gusher things.
Oh.
It's hard, and then like after you suck for a while, like it breaks loose. Oh. I got this. To the end. Okay, give me this right.
Yeah. Oh no.
Oh, it's red and powdery. It's like hell. Oh, it's not chewy. I think you just made the biggest mistake of your life.
The inside's watermelon.
What? What is with them in watermelon chili powder stuff?
Cocoa Bandera.
Chocolate. Bandera's flag, right?
Yeah, well, it's in the shape of a flag. So.
It's like, oh, there's a candy.
It smells like
that.
coconut.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be like hard, but it's not. Like,
Yeah, it's soft.
It's like entirely coconut. Do you like coconut?
It's not bad.
Usually coconut's good, but this isn't good.
No, I'm not finishing this. I took a bite off of each side of it, but
Watermelon flavored. I think this is the same thing as that other thing.
I think so too.
Well, I mean, it has a different like pico goma. Oh, I went in already. Oh!
That was
Both these candies have nuts in them, and I'm allergic to nuts, so.
for YouTube.
Did you get one?
Uh-huh. Yep.
Wow, that's exactly what it is. It's a Nutter Butter.
Like a nutty bar?
Yeah.
Except the inside is more creamy. Those are good.
Oh, that is good.
Called a bonbon. Or a bonbon.
I don't taste nuts. Oh, there's one.
So sweet. It's good.
Okay, that wraps up this video. Buenos dias, muchachos and lady muchachos.
That's good morning.
Hey.
Adios.
Hasta la vista.
Hasta luego.